Hello, in today's video we will try to solve the second part of the question 1 of the relation and functions from class 12th. Okay, so the question is relation R in the set n of natural number defined as by relation R equal to xy, y equal to x plus y, and the value of x is less than 4. Okay, so we have to solve this relation y equal to x plus 5. So we have to put the value of x in the relation r less than 4. There is no equal to sign. Okay, so we have to put the value less than 4, that is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let's see by an image. I have uploaded one. So the relation r is equal to xy, y equal to x plus y, and the value of x is x less than 4. So we have the condition that we can take three values: one for x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. So for x equal to 1, the relation y equal to 6 is equal to 6. For x equal to 2, the value of y is equal to 7, and for x equal to 3, the value of y is equal to 38. Though the so the relation r of n natural numbers is 162738. Okay, so we have to see that the relation r in the set of natural number defined by relation r is either the relation is reflexive, symmetric, or transitive. So let's solve for. So the relation r by taking the values x equal to 1, 2 and 3, the value for y is equal to 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so for reflexive the condition is that the elements xx, same elements, should belong to a relation r. So the set here is xy, that is 1 6 1 6 and 2 7, and the third one is 3 8. Okay, so there is no element 1 1. 1 1 is not belonging to relation R. 1 1 is not belonging to relation R. So R is not symmetric. Okay, R is not symmetric. So let's solve for, sorry, so the relation R is not reflexive. So the R is not reflexive. So for symmetric, SY, symmetric, the relation of elements XY belongs to R. That is 1 6 is belonging to R. So the YX should also belong to R for making the relation symmetric. But the Y, we are taking Y as 6 and X as 1. But 6 1 is not present in the set, so 6 1 does not belong to R, so YX does not belong to R. So the relation R is not symmetric. Okay. And the last one is transitive. Transitive. Here the condition is XY belongs to R. So YZ should belong to R. That's how XZ belongs to R. Here in the set we see that XY 1 6 belongs to R. But 6 and another element is not present here, so it's not belonging to relation R. So the condition fails here, so XZ also does not belongs to R. So when the one condition fails, so the third one also fails. Okay, so relation R is not transitive. So hence we see that for reflexive, symmetric and transitive, we see that relation R is neither reflexive nor symmetric and transitive. So hence we solved this relation R equal to x, y equal to x plus y, and the value of x equal less than 4. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you like the video, and do like, share and subscribe for such more contents. Thank you and have a nice day.